Hey guys, in today's video, I will be doing a quick clean and decorate with me. So if you're interested, let's get started. So as you can see, I have been lounging and hanging out up here, and now it's time to get this place clean. And in case you're new and you're wondering, we are in my master bedroom sitting area. Okay, so I wanted to clear off all of the decor and the pillows so that I can start with a clean slate. I'm also going to refresh the fireplace. I'm not going to do anything with the bookcases. I pretty much have them set up the way that they were last year, and I really don't have a problem with it, so I'm going to leave them as they are. I'm also going to move the table so that I can vacuum. So I'm going to vacuum my area rug, but first I want to try this vacuum that was sent to me by Robit to review. This vacuum comes with a remote control, and it has several features that you can activate while using the vacuum. So when you're ready for the vacuum to start, you can push the red button.
Welcome to use Robot Vacuum Cleaner.
And that turns it on. And then it will auto clean in a zigzag pattern, or I can just push whichever direction I want it to go. Now when it gets to the edge of the carpet, I can stop it because I don't want it to go on the floor, and then I can change directions. And once you're done cleaning, there's a home button that will return it back to its original charging station.
Start charging.
So if you're interested in finding out more about this vacuum, I will leave a link in the description box below. Okay, so I think I'm going to use a little pink in the space. I think it looks really pretty with the taupe and the gray and with the silver. Plus, it's what I have to work with because I'm trying to use things that I already have in my home. Okay, so I really like the way things look. I like the way the pink looks against the neutral palette. And because it is summer, I am keeping things pretty neutral and simple. I'm not going to add anything to the base of the fireplace. Normally I'll put a lantern or something down there, but I think I just want to keep it clean. So I like using this silver orb candle holder, but I want to give it a little height, so I'm going to place it on this pedestal. And this is something that you can pick up from Goodwill. I got this many years ago from Goodwill, and I think it was probably like $2.99. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I will share the rest of the room in an upcoming tour. So thanks for watching guys, and if you are interested in the vacuum, please check the description box below. And I would also like to thank the Robit Company for sending out this vacuum.